Where do I file for divorce or custody? Is really the most important question you have to ask, right? If you want to begin a case for divorce or custody. In the case of custody, the most important thing is where does the child have residence? Meaning, where has the child lived for the last 6 months? This is important because sometimes we have unmarried parents, right? Where the mom has moved, say, to another state, and the child has lived there for 2 or 3 years before the dad really realizes that, hey, if I don't do something, I'm never going to see this kid. When you're in that situation, while you wish that you could file for custody right where you live, that's not the right place. You'll need to file for custody where the child has lived. So on that front, I would say, if you don't have any rights to the child and you know the mother is about to move away, I suggest you file for custody right away, right here where you live. Call the office right now. Now with a divorce, on the other hand, a divorce you really can file based on where you live, where you've had residence for at least 6 months, in the county where you've had residence for 90 days. The situation here is sometimes a mom or a wife with her children will move to another state to be closer to her family before filing divorce proceedings. If you've left Ohio and moved to North Carolina, you can't file for divorce there right away because you don't have residency there. You still have residency in Ohio. At the same time, if you've moved to North Carolina and your spouse still lives in Ohio and has decided to file a divorce here, they can file a divorce here in Ohio, and you'll have to travel back and forth for the proceedings. If you are making a decision to move to another state, or if you know that your child is going to be moving to another state, I suggest that you contact the office immediately and get some information about your options before you make a move that might cost you more than it needs to.